Hello, people. So we can start the live chat now. First of all, good morning to everyone. This is the first time, so if there is any technical glitch, please forgive me. So you can send me your questions with gender, date, place, and time of birth, and I'll select the questions and then try to answer as many questions as possible. So let's start with Surbhi Khanna. No, Surbhi Khanna, you need to give me your birth details. Okay. Prakash Ramachandran, you have given whose birth details? Prakash, you have given your birth details and you are asking a question about your daughter. So I need your daughter's birth details to answer your question related to your daughter, not your. And also you need to be very specific about the birth details and the native for whom you are asking the question. And Surbhi Khanna, please give me your birth details. It is not there. Okay. And let me, I'll answer Swapnil Lolap's question first. Swapnil Lolap. Okay, one sec. Maharashtra time because I'm looking for a career in abroad permanent residency. Okay, Swapnil, I'll answer only one question of yours. A career abroad. Okay. So you are born in Pune. Okay. I'm casting the horoscope for Mr. Swapnil Lolap. You are born in Pune. One sec. And your date of birth is May 15th, 1983. May 15th, 1983. And time of birth is, one sec. Time of birth of Swapnil Lolap is 9/5. Okay. Evening. Okay. Swapnil, it will take, I don't think you going abroad in the next 2 years, that is 16, 17, 18, these 3 years will not go abroad. Any chance of going abroad is in the year 2020 and 2021, and till that time you will stay in India, and yeah, obviously you will work for MNCs, but permanent residency and working in a foreign country will happen only in 2020 and 2021. Okay. Now I'll answer Naisha Ahmed. Naisha Ahmed, you need to put the question and also the birth details together so that it's easier for me. And Swapnil Lolap, you have given me, okay, sorry, it's March 1988. One sec. Okay, Swapnil, yeah, it's March 5th, 1983. 9:05 p.m. Pune. So for Swapnil, about the abroad thing, I took your date of birth as May. 1 sec. 8, 9, of course. Okay. 9, okay, yeah. Okay, so see, the chances of you going abroad is very high in the years 2017 and 2018. Okay, and so you'll go abroad in the year 2017 and 2018. And let me see during which period precisely. Let's begin. So mid or later months of 2017 you'll go abroad. Swapnil, okay. Now let me okay. Okay, now okay, let me answer Bose Banerjee now. Bose Banerjee, hi Bose. So I would like to immigrate to Australia. Please let me if it will work out and when, because I tried one time before and the agent cheated me. Okay. Kolkata. Okay. Now is Bose Banerjee. It is the place of birth is Kolkata. The place of birth is Kolkata, and once it goes Banerjee is one sec. And the date of birth is 15th April. 15th April 1983. It was 1983, 3:15 a.m. Yeah. So, boss, your question is, please let me know if it will work and when will I. Australia, immigrate to Australia. Okay. Boss, I can see a lot of foreign travels for you and minor settlement in foreign country, but you will not immigrate to any foreign nation because you have good luck only in India. So I'm sorry to say that permanent residency in foreign country I cannot see. And also immigration to a new country is not possible. You will work for foreign brands and have short-term assignment in a foreign country. So permanent thing is not possible. Okay. So next question is okay. Rahul Varghese, you need to send me one message with all the details. I cannot read three things about yourself. Now I will go to Sudhindo Srinivas. Sudhindo Srinivas. Yeah, one sec. Sudhindo Srinivas, you're born in Visakhapatnam. Sudhindo Srinivas, Visakhapatnam. Your date of birth is July 13th, 1972. July 13th. One sec. July 13th. Okay. July 72, 7:30 p.m. Yeah, Sudhindu, okay. For ensuring job security, I have taken an operations job. Though I don't doing it, how will I do and will it take me abroad? Okay. The question is, I don't like doing it. Okay. You want how will I do and will it take me abroad? The job, will it take you abroad? Yes. Sudhindra Srinivas, see, you will go to a foreign country, okay, but it will be very short-lived. First of all, permanent residency in a foreign country is not visible, and long-term assignment in a foreign country is not visible for you. Most of your life, you will work in MNCs and live in a native land itself. Okay, so abroad, of course, you will go in 2016, 2017, but you will come back. That's what I need to tell you. Okay, let's go to Rahul Varghese now. Rahul Varghese says, kindly suggest me if I stay here or move to India or try to... Rahul Varghese. Rahul Varghese is born in Kuwait. Okay. Rahul Varghese born in Kuwait. August 30. August 30, 1983. Hope everyone is able to hear me. 12:05 p.m. So Rahul Varghese wants to know whether kindly suggest me if I would stay back here or move to India or try to get my dream of settling in the US or Canada. Okay. Okay, Rahul, you have very good chances of settling in a foreign country. And foreign country for you is any country which is away from your birthplace. So you are born in Kuwait. So foreign country is other country, and you surely will settle in a first world country. So US and Canada looks very conducive. So it should manifest. It will manifest in the next 2 years. That is in the year 2016 and 2017 and 2018. So you surely will move to a first world country which is US or Canada. Okay. Now let's take who is this Shweta Dambar. Okay. Microbiology. My parents are forcing me to prepare for civils, but I am not interested. Okay. Please answer me if I want to listen to them and prepare for civils. Should I continue with my higher studies? Okay, 1997. I'm answering Shweta. Please, I cannot place all the time. Though chat is not taking it. Please don't skip my question. Okay. So, Shweta, kindly keep your question precise. Instead of typing a long question, keep it precise. Make your questions 2 lines. It's easier for me that way. And I advise everyone to keep it precise. Don't send me multiple entries because it becomes difficult for me. So, Shweta Dambar. Okay. Shweta is born in Nagpur. Nagpur, and it's November 11th, 1997. November 11th, 1997. 1997, and time over 4:50 p.m. p.m. Shweta wants to know whether she... Okay, civil service, okay. See, Shweta, you have a lot of luck for work in MNC and foreign countries, and also you will study in foreign nations. So I don't think you will do your civils, or you will get an opportunity to do civils. You will travel abroad and study there, do your PG probably there. What are you doing now? Yeah, BSc microbiology. Yeah, so you'll do your post graduation in a foreign country. So I don't think luck for government and government jobs are visible for you. So good luck. So next we'll go for Nagaraj Kundapur. My God, Nagaraj, you have sent me 4 messages. Please send in one, and please, I request people to keep it in one line. And Kasturi Srinivas, I would like to know about my daughter's marriage. I was born in 1994. I was born in January 13, 1994. 74 at 5:40 in Tanjore. Daughter 84, 94, 2000. Daughter's marriage. Okay, Kasturi Srinivasan, please provide me your daughter's birth details and not your birth details to know about your daughter's marriage. Kasturi Srinivasan, please provide me your daughter's birth details and not your birth details to know about your daughter's marriage. Achha, now let me go to Reshmi Singer. Yeah, uncle, I want to know become a heroine in Bollywood. Okay, gender is female. Was brought up in Mumbai. Okay, name is Reshmi. Reshmi, born in Mumbai. And born in Mumbai, 9th August 1996, and time of birth is 6:50 p.m. p.m. Okay. Rishmi, I want to make my dream will come to gender. Okay. Rishmi, again, I'm sorry to say that I don't see career for you in the film industry. Your career will be closely related to the studies you do. So if you are doing your bachelor's in engineering, that's BE, so your job will be related to IT and not into entertainment industry. And also, I'm sorry that I don't see career in movies for you. So that's it, Reshmi. Now let's go to... Wait, please. People, be slow. I cannot read everything together. And Sudhindra, I answered your questions, I guess. And please give chance to other people. No, I answered your question. Prithviraj, okay. Prithviraj is born in Ahmedabad. Yeah, Prithviraj born in Ahmedabad, June 1st, 1977. 1st June 1977, yeah. And time of birth is 8:50 p.m. Yeah, Prithviraj, trying to buy a house for many years but not able to. Please tell me why and also when will I buy? Prithvi, you have a very bad combination for house, land, house, and property. So it's better you don't buy anything in your name. Okay. You have to if you want to buy property, you need to buy in your wife's name or on your children's name. And in your horoscope, whenever you invest in house, land, or anything, you'll either get cheated or you lose money. And even if you buy, you'll not be able to stay in your own house. So you better buy in your wife's or your children's name. Okay, so that answers Prithviraj's question. And okay, now it's Babu. Okay, it's Babu. Fine. I want to travel to any foreign nation in my life, but okay, I have passport for last 10 years. 10 years means probably your passport would have expired by now. Okay, let me answer Babu's question now. Babu is born Jan 1st, 1973 in Chennai. Okay, Chennai, Babu, Chennai. You will not remember me. I worked in Tidal Park long back with Sefi. Sorry, Baba, I don't remember you. I'm extremely sorry, I don't remember you. So let me cast your horoscope first. Jan 1st. Jan 1st, 1973. Jan 1st, 1973. 2:07 a.m. Yeah. 2:07 a.m. So Babu wants to know that I want, okay, personally, I want to travel to any nation in my life. Okay. See, Babu, you have, how old are you? Okay. Babu, you will travel to a couple of countries for pleasure for sure, like Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Bangkok, those countries. Work is ruled out, settlement in a foreign country is ruled out, permanent residence in a foreign country is ruled out. Okay, in 2017 and 2018, you will have pleasure trips to Singapore, countries like Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Bangkok, those kind of countries. Okay, so let's go to the next question. It is Tia Basam. Tia Basam is from Dubai. She is born in Dubai. Let's go to what is the name? Tia. Okay. Tia, born in Dubai. The female, May 30. May 30, 1990. In 11:32 a.m. So Tia Basam, I'm answering your question now. Your horoscope is ready. You want to ask? I am in relationship with a man who is twice my age. Okay. You are how much? Okay. Twice your age. Already married. I want to marry. Will there be any problems? 7 or 6. Okay. See, Tia Basam, you don't have a very promising chart for marriage. So your first marriage or your first long-term committed relationship will be a failure. Hope you understand that, Tia, that your first marriage or first long-term committed relationship will be a debacle. So I am 100% sure that this relationship will break for you and you will get married to someone else. So that answers your question, Tia. So let's go to the next question. It's Muthu Lakshmi. Muthu Lakshmi. Okay, I'm working for a government country. I would like to get a promotion before I retire. Okay. So Muthu Lakshmi obviously is female, I'm sure. Muthulakshmi is born where? Coimbatore. Coimbatore happens to be my place of birth too. Coimbatore Muthulakshmi, or May 7th, yeah? May 7th, 1961, okay. Time of birth is 5:55 a.m. Yeah. It's Muthulakshmi. I'm answering Muthulakshmi for you. 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, 1 sec. Okay, Muthulakshmi, you'll have only one promotion. Okay, that will be towards the fag end of your career. So probably before, just 1 year before you retire, you'll have one promotion with the salary hike, and I'm sure that will dictate. You're a government employee, yeah. That will dictate the pension. So you'll have one promotion just 1 year before you get retired. That's the maximum astrologically. So who is next? It is Bako Awolowo. Bako Awolowo. Why the name sounds so funny? Okay, he's from Tanzania. Okay. I have a hole in my heart. Okay, I want to know, will I survive the operation and become normal, or will this be a problem for always? Bako, to know exactly the lifespan, it takes a lot of time for me to calculate. Okay, so I won't be able to answer that question of yours because it takes a lot of time to exactly pinpoint on your lifespan. If I know exactly your lifespan, I will be able to answer your question. Subramaniam Iyer, my children are fighting, abusing each other for my property. Please tell me it will be sorted out before I die or otherwise. Okay. I'm an old man. Mr. Gopal, please answer my question. Subramaniam Iyer, it is quite complicated questions because I need to see multiple charts to answer that question. It's not, I cannot answer that question looking at your horoscope whether your children will fight or ignore everything and get back. So Subramaniam, you need to, it's a multiple chart question, so I cannot answer that question for now. So someone called Kusunoki Takashi from Hiroshima. Okay, you're born in Hiroshima, is it? I'm from Japan, live in Germany now. Okay. Hello. I hope you understand. Okay. I brought from different clan who want to get married. Okay. Kusunoki Takashi, I'm answering your question. You're born in Hiroshima. Okay. And you're February 28th. February 28, 1996. Your time of birth is 9:25 p.m. So your question is, I have a boyfriend from a different clan, I want to marry him. Okay. Okay. So Ms. Takashi, you surely will have an unconventional marriage, which means love marriage and marriage out of your caste, community, religion and all those things. So your question, will I get married to him? Your marriage with a person who does not belong to your community and caste is very much possible. So if you want, I cannot be sure whether you'll get married to this particular person because I need to see his chart also to answer that question. So from your chart, I can surely say that you will have an unconventional marriage where you will get married to someone who does not belong to your clan or community or caste, religion. Okay, the next question. Next question is from Bia Djokovic from Antwerp, Belgium. Before her tarot and card reading. Okay. Different education. Okay. So I presume that Bia, you are born in Antwerp, Belgium. So I'll take that details. So it's Bia, your Antwerp. Antwerp, Belgium, and your May 13th you're born. Yeah. May 13th, Bia is 1986. And 4:40 p.m. So Bia Djokovic, yeah, I'm answering your question now. You wanted to know, I just finished my education, would like to start a business, will I successful at the business, and also want funding to be able to find funding. Okay. Business, okay. Bia, you have an excellent horoscope for a good career, so you'll work for branded firms and multinational companies and walk the corporate ladder very fast in life, but I'm sorry, I cannot see business opportunities for you or self-employment opportunities for you, but you will have an excellent career you will make good amount of money and all that. So you will work for MNCs, that multinational companies and branded firms, and you will do very well as employed rather than an employee. So let me answer one sec. This Ramraj, okay. Ramraj, yes sir, when will I get job? Any abroad chances when I come out of my trained life? Okay, Ramraj, just reprinting my question. Ramraj, you need to stick to one question, so I'll answer that. When will I get a job? That I'll answer that, not the other questions. Okay, so you need to because I need to give time to others. So Ramraj, I'll answer your question now. You are born in Kurnool. Okay. So, Ramraj, one second. I'll take some time. Okay, Ramraj is born on September 25th. September 25th, 1966. And your time of birth is 4:30 a.m. Yeah, Ramraj, you are born in September 25th, 1966, 4:30 a.m. Kurnool. So you are under the influence of Sade Sati. Okay, so I think you're jobless because of that reason. And one second. Okay. So the years 2017 and 2018 will be good. So you'll end up getting married end up getting a job in the initial months of 2017. But again, the years between 2020 and 21 will be bad for you because you will be coming under the influence of the worst Sade Sati. So you'll get a job in the initial months of 2017, which will go on for 2 years maximum, and after that you'll again start having problems. So that answers your question. So the answer to your question, when will I get job, is in the initial months of 2017. Okay, let's go to Seema Sharma. Seema Sharma, F33, okay. Bilaspur, okay. Name is Seema. March 3. Seema Sharma, I'm answering your question. Once again, I'm casting the horoscope for you. Born in March 3rd, 1974. Time of birth is 1:20 p.m. Yeah, 1:20 p.m. Yeah, Seema Sharma, your question is, Namaste, I'm married for 18 years, but for the last 1 year, my husband is behaving badly with me. I suspect he's having an affair outside and my mind is asking for divorce. Okay. You have bad combination for marriage, of course, but I don't, astrologically, I don't see any divorce happening for you. So, bad marital life with increase in stress and strain, all those things will surely happen, but I don't see divorce for you. Life will go on, and as far as your husband having an affair, I need to see his horoscope to answer that question. So when you have time, you can drop me a mail about his details and the same questions. So your marriage will not break. Even if you are thinking that you want a divorce, it is not going to break. Let's answer Ramesh Bhandari. Ramesh Bhandari, yeah. Ramesh Bhandari is born in Bangalore. Bangalore, July 25th. July 25th, 1963. And time is 9:12 p.m. That is, yeah. Ramesh, your question, since 2008, 5 businesses wherein I invested huge amount, good reference people have neither returned my principal or profit. When will I get it back? Ramesh Bhandari wants to know whether when will I get this money back. Okay, to Lord. Okay. 2008, 5 businesses wherein I invested huge amount of money, people have neither returned my principal or profit. Ramesh Bhandari, I cannot answer when these people will return your money, but in the coming years, that is 17, 18, 19, 20, your financial situation will improve multifold and you will not have any financial problems. So what has gone, I think it's gone. So getting back those money will be, it won't happen. So, but as far as your financial situation is concerned, it will improve a lot in the coming 2 to 3 years. So you won't have problems in that. So that answers your question. So let me go to Junaid Nanda. Junaid Nanda, born in Karachi. Born in Dubai, okay. What is your gender, by the way? M, okay. Karachi, yeah. Karachi, Pakistan. Right. May 31st, 1991. Yeah, May 31st, 1991, 6:35 p.m. Yeah, Junaid Nanda, I'm answering your question now. So you are born in, born on May 31st, 1991, 6:35 p.m. Karachi. I've got 2 job offers. One in Sharjah with a higher salary, and other is a 2-year assignment in Germany. I don't know what to do. Please suggest. One in Sharjah, and other is 2-year assignment in Germany. 2 offers in Sharjah. Okay. Sharjah, okay, in Mali. Germany, yeah. Your luck for long-term assignment and settlement in first world country are very high. So it's better you take up the Germany offer than the Sharjah offer. And Germany offer, and once you go, I think you'll never come back. Okay, so that answers Junaid Nanda's question. What is it? Navjeet Kaur. Where is that? Yeah, Navjeet Kaur. I was born in October 2016. Sorry, 1990. Vadala Jalandhar in the morning 3:40. Oh my god. Hello sir, I have a problem in my feet which prevents me from walking at all. The paining this developed suddenly. I have not fallen anywhere or hurt myself. I'm very worried and stressed. Is it a permanent handicap or will I be able to walk? Also, I will have minor problem continuously. Please let me know. Okay. Navjeet Kaur, I'm answering your question now. Let me cast your horoscope firstly. 1994. Okay. You're born in Jalandhar. Jalandhar, date of birth is October 10th, 1994. October 10th, 1994, and time is 3:40 AM. Yeah, astrologically, I don't see any major problem or permanent health problem for you, Navjeet Kaur. So it's just a minor problem; it will get rectified, and I think for that problem you need to find a good doctor. Astrologically, I don't see any permanent health problems related to your leg at all. So it will get rectified or cured. So find a good doctor for that. You'll be all right. So no permanent health problem related to your leg. So Naisha Ahmed, Surbi Khanna. I really don't remember whether I answered your question, but okay. Now let me go to Naisha Ahmed. Where is she? What is the date of birth? In Bangalore. Okay. Naisha Ahmed, I'm answering your question now. Bangalore and Feb 2nd, 1985. Feb 2nd, yeah. (1985), yeah. Feb 2nd, 1985, 10:30 PM. Yeah, Naisha, you wanted to ask, will I have a love marriage or arranged marriage? See, Naisha, you have not a very promising chart for a good marital life, one. So your first marriage and first long-term committed relationship will be a failure. So far, you need to be very careful about that. And the chances of you having a love marriage is very, very meager. Of course, you will have a love relationship which will break, and you will have an arranged marriage later. And after this broken affair, it will take a couple of years to get married. So that answers your question. So love marriage is ruled out. You will have an arranged marriage, and a first relationship will be problematic. So keep that in mind. Okay. And Surbi, I really don't know whether I answered your question. Too many questions. So okay. So let me answer. Vinod Parkinian. Vinod is my old client, and hi Vinod, hope you're doing well. What is your question? Okay. I resigned my current job to move in and will I get a new job? Okay. Vinod, yeah, Chennai. Vinod, yeah. Feb 22nd, yeah. February 22nd, 1226. Feb 22nd, year is 1991. 22nd Feb 1998, 1226 p.m. Yeah, Vinod, I'm answering your question now. You wanted to know whether I have resigned my current job to move in with my husband. When will I get a new job? Okay, 7, 8. Okay. The years 2017, 2018 and 2019 you will not get any job. Okay, so next 3 years you will not get any. Vinod Parkin, I'm answering Vinod Parkin's question. So 17, 18, 19 you will not get any job. Okay, the chances of getting a job is in 2020 and 2021. 2020 later months and initial months of 2021 you will get a job. So next 3 years you'll stay with your husband only. Okay. And so who is this? Rajeshwari, your question is which business of our will flourish? Okay, so I really don't know what all businesses you have, and you have to give me an option of what all businesses you already have to answer that question. Okay. Okay. I think I answered something. 9-5. Yeah, what happened now? The time about 9-5, yeah. Okay. Surbhi Khanna. Surbhi Khanna, what's wrong with you? Okay. Permanent residence in foreign country, sir. I'm so nervous. I'm keep forgetting. Okay. Okay. So Surbhi Khanna, let me answer. Surbhi Khanna, sir. Sorry, I'm so nervous. I keep forgetting. Okay. Permanent residence in foreign abroad. No, sorry. Surbhi Khanna, what is your question now? So nervous, you're forgetting, you're giving a birth detail. What is your question? Okay, let me scroll back to see whether what is your question. Volume, okay, yeah. I'm in current job for 3 years, 8 months, but my manager does not talk about my promotion or salary. Acha, Surbhi Khanna, you want to know when you will get your promotion? Yeah. So I'm answering Surbhi Khanna now. Surbhi wants to know about her promotion. Yeah, she's born in Madrid, Spain. Yeah, good. December 25th, 1975. December 25th, 1975. 7:20 a.m. Yeah. So Surbhi, the next 2 years will be very good for you on career front. That is 17 and 18. You will have both impressive lift in career with substantial increase in income in 2017 and 2018. The initial 6 months of 2017 will be very good. So you can expect lift in career, increase in income and increase in responsibilities in the initial 3 months of year 2017. Hope that answers your question. I think we'll come to an end. Okay, the Rajeshwari Thai Techno Private Limited, Prakrit Renewable Power. Rajeshwari, I still need to know what kind of business you do. Like for instance, what are you into? Only then I can match that with your horoscope and let you know the answer. For instance, what actually your business deals with. So I think I answered your questions. I think we'll end it here. We'll see other questions in the next chat session. So keep following my blog, that is askany.com, and subscribe to my channel so that you can exactly know when the next time I'll come online to answer your questions.